Well, good Sunday evening, everybody. I know I said I'd wait till I have it posted in the yard back there, but I wanted to show my deck creation. I made a deck on the front for a landing spot for the birdies. But before I show you that, I was just thinking about this also. I brought this stuff in from the motorhome. I had bought that in Oatman. This crystal ornament here, I bought that in Oatman, Arizona, the ghost town of Oatman. This little Minnesota like Christmas ornament I bought at the Kearney, Nebraska museum that crosses the I-80. First time I ever stopped there. So I didn't. I pulled in with Molly there, had some lunch, and toured the museum just a bit. I didn't go up through the whole main part. I had to get back on the road. I didn't want to. It would have taken some time, to do it thoroughly, and I didn't want to start becoming involved there. So I went to the gift shop and picked up this Minnesota like Christmas ornament. But I wanted to show you that light. Or also the lamp back there I brought in from motorhome too. That's the one I had in the window I bought down at Needles. I think I picked that up found that just at Walmart. Like an Indian elephant, that's why. You see, with all that Indian stuff. But here, I wanted to show you the birdhouse. It's here. Nice deck. All screwed into the side. In fact, it could probably handle my weight. After I get it mounted, I could probably stand on that thing. I've already semi-tested it out. You can see the roof is not quite as shiny now with a polyurethane finish. But the glitter still stands out. I got it with my pool table light on here. Nice little deck for the birdies. Yeah. Still gotta open up the pathway right there. Get that 2x4 painted. I want to get that 2x4 painted before I mount it out back also. I don't know if I'll just leave this green treat, because those 2x2s are all green treat. They can be just wood. I might paint it. I'm still undecided there. But you guys have a wonderful week ahead. And I have to make it down to Micros on Tuesday to get some paperwork filled out. And also my task tomorrow is try to find a birth certificate. They've added extra things you need for being hired, and it's like a renew rehire, so I have to go through all the process. Even though I work there, you got to still follow the rules, how you get hired on. So I have to go find my birth certificate tomorrow. You guys have a wonderful week ahead. Take care. Bye now.